Hi, I'm Todd O'Malley with the law offices of O'Malley & Langen. If I say the word accident, what do you think? Car crash, falling down the steps? Unexpected events. People don't realize most of these accidents aren't really accidents. They're injuries caused by careless third parties. So if you've been hurt at work, workers' compensation may just be the beginning. Our lawyers can identify the negligent third party and investigate your claim. Call O'Malley & Langen because time may be running out. You only have 2 years from the date of your injury to protect your rights. Call O'Malley & Langen 24/7. On nights and weekends, one of our lawyers will answer the phone. Call 1-800-817-COMP. That's 1-800-817-2667. And remember, we don't get paid unless you win.